what's the best opportunity out right now online? And it's hands down, in my opinion, it is Save Club. All right. I get deals in my email or things offered to me almost every day. I've got quite a bit of online income. All right. I'm very successful in several companies. So I get a lot of presentations or emails to join. I have people offer me free entry or free positions just so that I will promote their business. And I'm like, no, thank you. Okay. I don't like to just get something for free. All right. I want to earn. And right now I've earned a couple $1,000 just the first couple weeks that I joined Save Club. I saved $700 by using Save Club. Okay. So please, I want you to look into this opportunity. I'm going to show you my screen. ilovesaveclub.com. Go there right now and look into this opportunity. Guys, I sure appreciate your time.